part 3 of my video because I do not have an editor. Please watch, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to go with, I want a Colby Jack for my lasagna. And then I want the cheddar. Okay. I got the Colby Jack. And I have the cheddar.
How you doing? It's mine.
Let me see.
Gotta have me some rice.
Going down this way. I like my Mexican. I like my Mexican blend.
The eggs, they went up too.
Mm-hmm.
And,
Yeah. $3.79 for eggs. $4. $3.59.
What's that? They only $1.49.
Nah, things is well. You know what that is? That's some cheap eggs you probably shouldn't be eating.
You know what's that? Aldi's.
Oh, I don't go to Aldi's. That was my grocery store back in the day, right? Aldi's was, and next thing I know, I'm sorry, baby. Next thing I know, I was developing cancer out that grocery store eating their meat. No offense, but yeah, it happened. And I'll never go back to it. I want me some hickory smoke. That hickory smoke. Okay, all we gotta do is get the hamburger and we gone.
What you said was wrong with Aldi's?
They meat, I end up having colon cancer. Yep. I'm gonna get them some yogurt. So it did. It messed me up. I was like, wow. Like that. Skylar's milk. Well, actually, Skylar and Armani and Willie. I ain't gonna just say it's Skylar milk because everybody knows. Okay, babe, we get the hamburger, we out. And I gotta get a big pan and put this lasagna in. Okay, I got the lasagna. I gotta get 2 packs. I almost forgot why I came in here for, y'all. Oh, you okay, baby? I just like these Chinese ribs, mama. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna just do 2 packs. You know, just a little something. Huh? Yes, ma'am. Split them up. Add your vinegar. Well, if you want to, however you want to do it. And put them in the oven. Like you done been outside. Just like how you do your roast. Yep. Yeah. And it's more better, you know, in the stove than, you know, doing it grilled. Because we get all the lighter fluids and stuff that goes through the meat.
Get a lot of chicken wings.
Give me that one too, babe. That 9. And all we gotta do is get my pan and we gone. Where's my basket, babe?
Where's it down there?
I'm tripping. Here we go. I know I'm tripping. Okay, all we gotta do is get a big pan and we done. And I'm gonna do some ribs. You want me to bring you a plate when you pick me up? Okay. Because we throw down milk, and I ain't gonna lie to you. Ooh, Texas rib.
That's gonna be good.
Ooh, yes.
What did you put that on 400?
No, I put it on like 350 and just let it. Just let it cook. Okay, you want to do it tomorrow? Cause I gotta get I want to apply for me. Yeah, I want to apply for me she said I qualified for the deep freezer. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on and get it. The deep freezer and the refrigerator. And I told her to do a direct deposit because she said it'll be $10 a month for the deep freezer and you can put it in there, babe. Thank you. Okay, YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are on our way back to the house. We are on our way, y'all. We are on our way back to the crib. For those gonna be outside barbecuing, be safe, cause it's cold. I ain't gonna be outside barbecuing. Okay. All I gotta do is get a bottle of water. Gotta get a bottle of vinegar. So don't forget to like and subscribe. It's a Super Bowl. Super Bowl. And to all of my legends that have popped the clown tonight. Mary J. Blige, Eminem, Snoop Dogg, Dr. Dre, and many, many, many more. But those are my tops, okay? And I would like to thank the Super Bowl for opening up your eyes to see that in our community, we love and support. And we love it that y'all love and support. So this is going to be a great Super Bowl. And we're going to show y'all how we can sit down. You know what I'm saying? We running a Super Bowl this year. I just want to thank you guys. I just want to thank you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back at home soon. God bless.